Hi, welcome to the Real-Time Construction Worker Safety Project. In this project, I will walk you through the steps to successfully run the project using the Anaconda prompt. So I'll go to the project. So this is my project and copied my file path. First, open the Anaconda prompt on your computer. So to activate the environment where all your project dependencies are installed. So now I'm going to navigate to the folder where my project files are stopped. So cd and copied file path, enter. To start the real-time safety application, run the main Python file using the command is python app.py, enter. So once the project is running, you will be able to see live updates in the Anaconda prompt. So this will include alerts or notification related to worker safety. In our project uses live sensors or camera feeds ensure all the connected devices are functioning properly. So I'll copy this is the URL and just copy the URL and put it in your Google Chrome. Just paste it. So I opened the result page in Chrome where we can see key performance metrics like precision and recall, F1 score and the confusion matrix. Okay. The precision tells how accurate the model is when it predicts a positive result. That means it shows the percentages of correct positive predictions out of all the positive prediction made by the model. Higher precision means fewer false alarms. So this is the precision curve. And next, recall. Recall tells how well the model identifies actual positive cases and it represents the percentages of true positive identified out of all the actual positives. iRecall ensures that we are catching most of the safety issues. So this is the recall curve. And next, F1 score. The F1 score is the balance between precision and recall. It's useful when we want to ensure both fewer false positives and fewer missed safety alerts. A higher F1 score indicates a well-rounded performance. And next, the confusion matrix. A confusion matrix is a table that shows us a summary of the model predictions. It has four values like the true positives, true negatives, false positives and false negatives. The true positives says correctly identified safety issues and true negative says correctly identify normal cases and false positive says it incorrectly flagged the safety issues and false negative says missed safety issues. So next we're going to the image detection. Here choose file. You can choose any file about construction workers. So I'll click this picture. So upload. This is the picture. Now you can see, click detect. It's still loading. So it's still running. Once the loading is stopped, you can see the result. Until wait. So this is the detected image. I'll show you clearly. Wait. So this is the detected image. So he was wearing head mask, and he don't wear no mask, so it's detect no mask, and he wore safety vest. So this is the prediction. So upload another image. So next one is you can put a video also to detect a video. Now we are trying to webcam detection. So click webcam. So it's started. So we can see the Anaconda prompt. So it's still running. Once the webcam option is clicked, your laptop or system webcam is automatically open. So the webcam is started detection. So now stop webcam. It's still running. So mail was successfully sent. So you can see your mail. So so that's it. So this is the project. Thank you.